To celebrate Earth Day, real estate developers, urban villages, and studio gang have unveiled and broken ground on Populus, the first carbon-positive hotel in the United States. Set to open in late 2023, the 265-room hotel in Denver features a rooftop restaurant and bar designed as a significant milestone for the future of sustainable travel that meets the needs of travelers, the community, and the environment. The project comes as a response to the awareness of consumers around the world who are recognizing and standing up for environmental challenges that impact their lives and economy. The hotel will be entirely carbon positive, beginning with its construction until its ongoing operations post-completion. An ecological effort will also be present offsite, such as an initial commitment to plant trees that represents over 5,000 acres of forest, which will offset an embodied carbon footprint equivalent to nearly 500,000 gallons of gas and remove additional carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Instead of purchasing untraceable carbon credits, Urban Villages is accomplishing Populus carbon positive status by proactively planting and growing trees to make a tangible impact. This structure will minimize its carbon footprint in the development stage using low carbon concrete mixes, high recycled content materials, maximizing structural efficiency using fewer finished materials, and minimizing waste, to name a few. Populus ongoing operations will also be carbon positive, so that the hotel's overall use, along with every guest stay, will be offsite in addition to the building's embodied carbon. Although the structure is located at the busy site of Colorado's first gas station at 4th Street and Colfax Avenue, the hotel will become the first new-built hotel in Denver without any on-site parking, which are often built with steel and reinforced concrete, which increases carbon profiles. This strategy encourages the use of public transportation and proves that on-site parking is not always necessary as cities evolve towards a more pedestrian-friendly environment. The hotel will be partnering with a nearby parking space for visitors who need it. According to the Zini Gang, founder of Studio Gang, improving the resilience of our cities has never been more urgent, and it includes reducing carbon emissions as well as strengthening community bonds. We have designed Populus to be a new destination in downtown Denver that combines these environmental and social ambitions with its distinctive aspen eye windows. The building cultivates a lively pedestrian scene in its neighborhood while simultaneously connecting you with the views of the natural wonders beyond the city limits. The windows and facade are also tuned for high environmental performance, self-shading, insulating, and channeling rainwater as a part of architecture's larger green vision. Studio Gang's design features as aspen tree-inspired structure with distinctive eye-shaped windows that echo the aspen eyes and increases the energy performance that corresponds to Denver's varied climate. The facade's design is optimized with respect to the program inside, with lids over each window extending outward to shade the interior of the building. The lids also channel rainwater to keep the facade looking continually clean and bright. On the interior, the windows vary in size to reflect the diversity of the spaces. Inside the rooms, hotel guests have mountain and city view through windows, which also become occupiable, transforming into the seats or desks that further connect occupants with the outdoors. The hotel will feature an array of services and facilities such as cafes, lounges, meeting rooms, and event rooms. The signature rooftop bar and restaurant will enliven the neighborhood with an expansive garden terrace planted with regional vegetation, which serves as a lush place to socialize and a visual representation of Populus' green ethos while naturally cooling the building. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and also subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on construction videos around the world.